Have you ever been in a situation when you are not sure whether you have clean dishes in your dishwasher? If the answer is yes, this device may help you. The core of my automations is the Home Assistant server that I run on my Raspberry Pi. To automate the dishwasher status indication, I bought a switchbot button pusher. It is connected to my Raspberry Pi through Bluetooth and the switchbot integration. The mechanical part of the device is 3D printed. The link to the design is in the description of this video. Initially, I planned to use springs harvested from old pans, but it didn't work well. The springs were bending in unexpected places. As a workaround, I tried straightening the spring by a rod made of a piece of a nail. It was better, but not great. Then I figured out a better solution. A strip of a metal from a binding mechanism of an old toy. This was way better. I connected my dishwasher to a power outlet through a Z-Wave plug. That plug has a relay to switch the power on and off, but I do not use that specific feature. More importantly, that plug reports power consumption to my Home Assistant. I can see how much power the dishwasher consumes at any time. Let me show the last cycle. As can be seen, the power varies during the washing process from single-digit watts to almost a kilowatt. I guess the power peaks during the water heating and when it dries the dishes. My automation script checks the power consumption. The trigger that starts the script is a condition when the power consumption drops below 10 watts for 20-minute period. I already have that script to announce the dishwashing completion. For now I just added one more task to that script to send the toggle command to the switchboard. Now it should work. Let me demonstrate what happens at the end of the dishwasher cycle. The only manual thing to do after loading dirty dishes would be to push the tag down.